case has been filed in 2024 in the month of March. Today we are in 2026. Can you not see that this is like Netflix telephone tapping series that is being directed, produced by Revanth Reddy just to harass the BRS leadership, tarnish the image of BRS leadership? If at all telephone tapping would have happened, it's a matter that could have been investigated, and then culprits, if at all they think that they are culprits, would have been punished by now. 2 years have gone, they've found nothing, and they are also doing the same kind of a telephone tapping even today. The ministers don't talk on regular phones, they only use either Signal or FaceTimes. They are doing telephone tapping, and they are making accusations that the previous government has done the telephone tapping. It's only a sort of a intimidation tactic or vindictive harassment tactic that Revanth Reddy has adopted. Whenever he fails, whenever his public perception comes down, he unleashes this weapon called, or Netflix series season called the telephone tapping case. So that's how yesterday he has brought out this notice against Harish Rao. We are not scared of any police cases. Harish Rao, particularly, I think in the last 6 months, consistently is exposing the failures of this government, exposing and questioning the scandals that have been committed by this government, right from irrigation to yesterday's Singareni collieries scam. I think consistently has become a thorn for the ruling government. So therefore, they wanted to give him a return gift by the notice. But I think neither Harish Rao nor the BRS party is going to get deterred in questioning Revanth Reddy, in exposing Revanth Reddy. We will continue to do so. Only hypocrisy that I am worried about is Rahul Gandhi at the national level says that government of India is using police or constitutional bodies to harass the opposition. The same philosophy is being adopted by Revanth Reddy. This is a very serious hypocrisy that the Congress party is demonstrating. They talk at the national level, and they do another thing in the exactly opposite thing in the state, unleashing the state police or unleashing the constitutional bodies against the opposition to suppress their voice. I think no amount of suppression will deter BRS, no amount of suppression will deter Harish Rao or KTR or KCR in fighting against this tyranny of Revanth Reddy. We will continue to do so. After all, BRS is the party which has fought and then secured the state of Telangana. In a revolutionary manner, the state has been developed under the leadership of KCR. And it is Revanth Reddy, by chance he became a chief minister, and he is not able to digest the power. He is now blinded with the arrogance of authority, and then indulging and misusing the police. And we will fight democratically. We will fight in the courts of law.
Different parties. How do you respond?
Now you look at phone tapping, similar case has been, similar complaints, similar action from the government has been going on since the past 2 years. In fact, the Supreme Court has already given a judgment saying that there is no evidence for phone tapping, and in fact the case is closed by Supreme Court of India also. In spite of that, state government, since the past 2 days, the state government's inefficiency or state government's the fight between the chief minister and the deputy chief minister, the fight between the chief minister's media channel versus the deputy chief minister's media channels have been out in the open. At the same time, Harish Garu had exposed the irregularities in the coal tenders. Coal tenders were called back. Now, the Honorable CM, as his regular act, to divert the attention of people, has called in for a sit investigation on Harish, in spite of the Supreme Court ruling out any evidence in Harish's phone tapping case. So it's only a distraction game, like always, from our Honorable CM Revanth Reddy garu. Otherwise, there's nothing to be worried about. I'm sure. I request media also to stay focused on the coal mine irregularities which Harish had exposed 2 days ago. Similarly, the irregularities of the family. of Revanth Reddy's family. So I request the entire media and people to stay focused on that, because there's nothing coming to sit, because even the Supreme Court has ruled out any evidences in the.
But the party is willing to cooperate with investigating this issue.
No, we are willing to cooperate because we believe there's nothing there. We are willing to cooperate with anything. My only request to everyone is, please stay focused on all the irregularities the Honorable CM has been doing under the cover of investigations, under the cover of Formula E investigation, under the cover of Kaleshwaram investigation, under the cover of every other day in the past 2 years. Only thing he's been trying to distract people to cover his inefficiency or to cover his irregularities is to file a case against BRS government or leaders of BRS party. But BRS will stay focused on our fight for people. We will stay focused on their irregularities. We will stay focused on CM's undoing. We will stay focused on CM's criminal acts also.